Menteri Ketenat Revenue but Disaster Management ubak Kyrmen Shilla. Hne sngi ka Khyndew tri ujiliu ula Leit shakashnong Leit laram. Ban Leit Jngoh ya ka Jaka batwa Khyndew. Kabala Shim no ya Ngut ki Mynsiem Briew. Ubak Kyrmen Shilla ula penpau ya ka Jingsi halor ka ni ka Jingja bat ula pentikna. Bakatenat Disaster Management kan Shim kya ban le AA halor ki ni ka Jingja.
It's really sad to see that what happened to this family, especially they have lost 4 of their family members. It's really pain to see after seeing the dead body of this 4 members of this family. I feel so sad and somehow I don't know what to say regarding with this, that how much pain that this family has suffered. We from outside we might not be able to ease their pain, but by coming here I feel that we show respect and we show that we are with the family. If they are in need of us, we are ready to be a part of that, whether in pain or in any kind of sadness they face. And secondly is that for me, it makes me to come here and visit this place is that after seeing that, after I saw that message, that news what had happened in this family, it cannot stop me, and the entire department also we call them so that we can come and witness it with our own eyes, and then so that we can speed up the process when it comes to ex gratia and then any kind of need and support which they require. So we are ready and we are with the family, and at the same time I would like to request our people that they should be very much alert when it comes to this situation. We have witnessed while coming to this place, there's almost the entire road is flood, so it's covered with water. So I request the people of our state that to be very much alert, and whenever you travel anywhere, so please be careful. And one more thing I would like to announce that as per mentioned that even the Chief Minister has been announced that ex gratia will be given for lakh. So from our department, as per this norm, NDRF norm, so we'll try to speed it up so that the family members can utilize this money, so that yes, no doubt we do feel that this money cannot ease their pain, but this is our duty to help family members, especially those who lost their life.